In this video, we're going to be learning how to create a video background overlay for a text. So this looks really neat. As you can see, when I copy this, you can clearly see the video playing at the background. So this is really neat, looks pretty sleek. You can use it for modern websites and you can have different effects. So we're going to be learning this in this video. The source code is down in the description, so make sure to download that, play with it, and yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And yeah, from next month onwards, from November, I'm planning on starting React. So we're going to be building some components, maybe some big projects as well with React. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. So here we are in our index.html file, and then we have the style.css and then the video. So in the index.html file, we have the basic border template. We have also linked our style.css file. In the CSS, we have a custom font face with the Biko font, which we're adding as the URL. And then this video is the one that we're going to be using. Now, the video resolution is a bit high. If you want to use it for the professional use cases, make sure to add the video in a bit less size compared to this, because you don't want your page to be stuck. You want it to load quick. So the lower the size of the video, it's better, it loads fast, and yeah. So in the index.html file, we're going to start off by creating the container div. We're going to add the video with a bunch of attributes. So we have autoplay, which means that it automatically starts playing. You want the muted to be true. Basically, you don't want any sound. You want it to be play again once it ends. So you want the loop to be true. And then also you want to have the preloading as auto. And then inside of the video, you add the source with src of the video.mp4, which we have here. And then you have the h1 tag, which says ocean. And that's it for the HTML, and this is how it looks. All right. Now in the CSS, we target the body, we give it a display flex, a height of 100 viewport height, and then we want everything at the center. So we set justify content center and align items to center, and then we remove the overflow by writing overflow hidden. All right. And then we target the container, we give it width of fit content, and then we add position as relative, since we're going to be positioning the video absolutely. And then we also set the overflow to hidden, since we don't want any content to be overflowing out of the container as well. And then we target the body, we give it position absolute, inset to 0, basically take entire width and height, start from top 0, left 0, and then also object fit to cover, just to maintain its aspect ratio. And then we target the H1, we give it font size, the font family of Biko that we just declared earlier, this one. And then we give it the font weight and a line height. And then we give the background as white, and then set the text transform as uppercase and align items to center. Now, if you save, we don't see anything because the video is on top. So let's remove the video for a second, and let's see. Now we have the text at the center. Let's bring back our video. And then now the most important property of all that we're going to be needing to have this as mask is mix blend mode. And we're going to set it as screen. And when you save, you see that the video is now getting played as the background of the ocean. Right? Looks pretty neat. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys learned something new. Make sure to like the video if you liked it. Comment down what you liked about this video. If you already knew about this or not, make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, turn on the notifications bell just so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, with that, we're going to be ending this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye.